everyone, this is a Monte Carlo mini ceiling fan. This is in JJ's dad's closet. There's low. This fan is...
why is there a light back there?
Get it.
I think it was what was there before.
Oh. Actually blows quite a bit of air.
If you want, show them the light that's there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Are there light bulbs in it? Check.
No.
Ignore that. Here's medium. And there's high. It's very fast.
And goopy.
Oh my god. Is it flush mounted? Yeah. Blows a lot of air. Alright, this is it. Bye.